Push your handles widely into the best of your ability. Hi, this is Tim. Welcome to All Affiliate Cash. Social media marketing hack number 13 is really about pushing out your handles widely and to the best of your ability. If you are really eager to increase the number of your followers, especially on Twitter, then never be afraid to promote your handle at the slightest opportunity you get. Do not hesitate to be a bit shameless. The goal is to achieve an increased number of followers, so make use of every means possible. This does not matter whether you're making a presentation, at a conference, or giving a speech. Always remember to tell your audience how they could reach out to you on social media, and this includes providing your name on Facebook and your handle on Twitter. This is not enough. You need to give your audience a reason to visit those social media sites and actually have an interest in you and whatever it is that you do. For example, include your social media links and handles in every slide when giving a presentation at a conference. Additionally, never forget to leave a soft copy of your slides with your audience. I'll soon be releasing an affiliate marketing course only for the members of my private Facebook group, so if you are interested in this completely free course, be sure to join my group soon. The link is in the description for this video. You can also follow me on Twitter, TikTok, Pinterest, and Instagram, and those links are available as well. This is a way to push out your handles every time you get a chance. Stay connected to me, subscribe, and hit that little bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video. Until next time, life is good.